You will actually love this Ghana salad because it is very simple, easy, above all very healthy. So I decided to share with you. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena and welcome to my kitchen. So this is cooking channel or page. If you are interested, please do not hesitate to follow or subscribe for more videos. It is actually free. Thank you so much. So in a bowl, I have prepped all my ingredients already. So I have my lettuce. Some people may say salad leaves, okay, and I've added my carrots. So the next ingredient I'm going to add is my cucumbers. Maybe someone will say kakumba. Oh my goodness, forgive me. So I've added my cucumber and then I went ahead to add my scallions or spring onions, then my green bell peppers. I've added my pasta or my macaroni. Okay, so pasta or macaroni. Now I'll go ahead and add my boiled egg. So that is what I'm adding to it right now. If you've watched me till this point and you haven't subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Can you please smash on the red button and the bell icon for more videos? And if you're watching me from Facebook, Instagram and TikTok, can you please follow for more? It is actually free. Thank you so much. Do that for me and I'll give you kakumba. I'll give you plenty kakumba. So that is the same thing that I'm repeating again, okay? The ingredients I added earlier, so that all the things will not go under it before we add new ingredients. Thank you so much for watching and thank you for your time once again. So please enjoy the rest of the video. Now I'll go ahead and add my onions, okay? You can actually use any onion of your choice. You can use the sweet onions or the normal onions, okay? Thank you so much. The next one I'll be adding is my baked beans. Oh my goodness, you know, Ghana salad without baked beans is not Ghana salad. Don't mind me. Do your thing without your baked beans if you don't want it, okay? But it takes the salad to the next level. And you know, we can't forget our sardines. So I've added my Titus sardines, and what you are seeing there now is my dressing, okay? I mixed my barbecue sauce with my plant-based mayonnaise with some parsley, basil, and then black pepper. So that is what I got and I added it to it. Just look at that that's inviting mouth-watering salad you are seeing there. We paired this with some jollof rice and oh my goodness, it was I can't wait to share with you. I don't know whether this will come or the jollof will come first. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.